and welcome in, well, normally a warm South Carolina, but as you can tell, we're driving home. The rain's coming down again. It's, let's see, 11:55 a.m. and it's raining already. It's 75 degrees in South Carolina. I mean, it feels like overnight we moved to Seattle. Maybe some of you have been wondering why we're not putting up videos. Well, listen to this. Can you hear that? That's the crappy sound of rain coming down. How a patch is doing? We're just gonna have to see in September what we come up with. For right now, there's no point in making videos and no point in making a diary because all we're getting is rain for the last 4 weeks in a row already. So, from a wet, crappy, and bad to grow South Carolina, over and out.